In the next minute or so, you're going to learn why you need to take video seriously as a marketing tool. To start, ask yourself a question. Prior to watching this, have you watched a video online in the past month? How about in the past week? 55% of people watch online videos every day, and this number is only growing. Simply the fact that search engines give priority listings to websites that host video over those that don't should be reason enough for you to stop and question if you are ignoring one of the most powerful modern marketing tools there is. At QdoBear, we understand the potential of video marketing, and the fact that you're watching this hopefully means that you do as well. If you're not sure how video can help you increase your sales, bring you more customers, and improve your rankings, then don't hesitate to get in touch with us today. QdoBear specialise in creating videos that are relevant to your business and customers in ways you likely haven't imagined. The possibilities are endless. How much longer can you afford to ignore the opportunity that exists for you to stand out from the rest? Contact QdoBear today and let the experts help you.